us are here at Astana. Hey, good morning everybody. Good morning from Astana, Kazakhstan. It's pretty cold here because I actually didn't expect na magiging ganito kahit this is fall pa lang. Eh, pagdating ko dito as in super lamig. Like, it feels like -7. Good thing I brought my thick jacket, otherwise I will really feel cold. So I'll be spending 2 days here at the capital, and then after 2 days I will proceed to Almaty. And somebody told me that it's pretty hot compared to, unlike here in Astana. And somebody told me as well na Almaty or Kazakhstan is one of the coldest country when it's winter. I should have bought this beanie. Solong-solo ko ang Baytrek Tower. Behind me is not a museum, not a park or opera theater. This is a shopping mall. It's Khan Shatir shopping mall. Go there. Sabi nung driver ko, hindi daw to yung pinakamalaking mosque dito sa Kazakhstan. So, I think medyo malapit lang din daw yun. So, I need to explore. Buti na lang may tumulong sa akin staff. Oh my god, napakabait. Yeah, buti na lang nagtanong ako kung saan yung gate. Otherwise, may iwan ako ng train. Dito naman to sa kabilang station. Buti na lang mabait yung staff. And tinulungan niya ako. We use the PWD or yung disabled person na gate. Yeah. So I'm excited to go to Burabuye. We're looking for the carriage. So it says it's 14 daw. So ito ata yung pinakadulo. We're traveling like almost 4 hours. Sana maging worth it yung Burabuye National Park kasi I will only be staying there for like 4 hours and come back again here kasi mamaya na yung flight ko papunta Almaty. Napaka-impulsive. Nalampasan ako dito. It's gloomy and it's risky. So parang hindi worth it yung pinupuntahan ko. Ayan, sana pa. Just until I find something. Ito ata yung ito yung pinakamalaking mosque dito sa Kazakhstan. I guess sa buong Kazakhstan. We'll be doing like 400 meters walking or hiking until we get to the big Almaty lake. I'm so excited for the view. Bye, big Almaty Lake. It's just really worth it, in spite of the cold. It's a coffee break. Kahit di ako person. So happy. Solo ko siya. Siguro itong ride na to, the whole ride is like more than 20 minutes. Kasi nag-time lapse ako, 10 minutes na yun. Eh, wala pa ata sa kalahati. Or maybe this is almost like 30 minutes. Yeah, 30-minute ride. Wow, so relaxing. Kasi makikita mo sa baba yung mga stunning trees. They are turning into orange, foliage. So nice. Ah, ito pala yung ito yung sa Medeo skiing area. Yeah. So it's not operational at the moment because my renovations lang ginagawa. So I think it will stop like for 2 years until it will open in 2027. Ito mo. Tingnan mo mga ilaw. Wow.